Hi guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review on Gotega sticker paper. They actually just sent this to me and I got it yesterday, and I was waiting to do the video so I could go ahead and open it with you guys today, and we can kind of just see what the sticker paper is like, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So anyway, it comes in a little file pocket, and it is reusable, so that's pretty cool. You know, you can keep everything in there. And let's go ahead, and it has directions. If I can open it. Okay, so let's see. Alrighty. Okay, so it just lets you know that when you open the file pocket, the side facing the button, which this is the button right here, is the printing side. And then it says, oh, very nice. This is waterproof, but it says that if you have high demands for waterproof and fading resistant, they suggest to use pigment ink. But if you're just using it for temporary use, then dye-based ink would be a better choice because it's brighter in color and it's less expensive. So I have dye-based ink. That's what I'm going to use today. I have a Brother, and I'm going to use the Brother color, and that's dye-based. I think Epson is pigment ink. And I do have an Epson, but mine I converted to a sublimation printer, so mine is sublimational ink. So I wouldn't be able to do that. So, and that's it, you guys. Let me go ahead and pull it out, see what it looks like. I like, though, that it comes with that file folder because it stays protected. And a lot of times my stuff, you know, if you're sticking it in the bin, I don't know, somehow it gets dented, or, so this is nice. It's protected. So, okay, so here's the sticker paper. And it's saying this side would go, well, it depends on your printer, actually. In my printer, this side would go down. But, okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to print some stickers, and we'll check it out. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I printed the sticker paper on the Brother, and then I put it on the Cricut to cut the stickers. So let's take it off the mat. And let's go ahead, let me get some paper, and we can put the sticker on the paper and move this. Okay, so I did Arial. Let's see. Okay, let me get scissors real quick. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this. So, don't think I'm catching that correctly. Let's see. I know I must be doing something wrong. Sometimes the paper sticks. Let's see. Okay, yay! So I'm just not taking it off the right way. Oh, that's so cute, you guys. Okay, so let's put it on paper. Oh, that's cute. I like that. But let me figure out how to take this off without getting the paper. Let's see. Yay, I did it. Okay, so you just have to be careful when you pull it up. cute. That's super cute. Let's go ahead and get this one. Okay, I see. Okay. I'm going to be careful of the tail. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute, you guys. I like it. So my opinion on the sticker paper is I like it. It works nice. It printed nice. I didn't have any trouble. I love the case that it goes in. And it came with 30, the 30 pack. And I recommend it, you guys. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. This is actually the first time I've done stickers. I've always wanted to, but I just haven't. So I think it's super cute. And it was a lot easier than I thought. All I did was just do a print and cut, and I printed it to the Brother, which is a color printer, and I put the face down in mine. Yours may be different. And then I put it on the mat, and the mat cut it, and that's it, you guys. So it's cute. I'll go ahead and leave the link below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.